Hi everyone, welcome back to Leah's Pretend Play. In this video, we'll be talking about Light Up Infinity Mirror, the building stage. So let's get started. So the Light Up Infinity Mirror lab has a box. This is the box. Had a keyboard, Light Up Infinity Mirror. And then what did we get in the box? So we got stand pieces. As you can see, all these wooden pieces all around. Those are all the stand pieces. And the drawer pieces, which is right here. Well, it's on the side. There. And then the multi-tool, I'm not sure that went. And then the drawer front, right there. The two-way mirror, right here. The bead ring is where the beads are. Of course, the solid mirror right there, and then the blue disc is at the back, and the center ring is right here, and the motor is down there, and the button is right here, as you can see. The USB cable is right here. The beads, I have some extra beads right here, but there's way more than that. And then I think this was in the toolbox. Wait a second. There's something in. Never mind. So we have our toolbox here, and it contains corner clips, orange gears. Well, one orange gear, a light blue bolts, round nuts, clear gears, a clear screw, yellow gears, mirror legs, posts, which is connected here so that it won't fall off, and then dark blue bolts for the drawer, and the T-slot nuts, and then the black ring, which is underneath this, the wiggly eyes, googly eyes, right here, and the dizzying effects. And the effect discs. Got it. There. And then let's move on to the next slide. So understanding the infinity mirror. The Light Up Infinity Mirror kit lets kids explore how light works by building a mirror that looks like it goes on forever. The glowing effect is made using tiny lights known as LED lights, see-through mirrors, and a trick called light bouncing, which we'll talk in the next video or this video. It's a fun way to learn about how light moves and reflects. Let's go to the next slide. It's like we'll learn about light reflects. Till then, meet my friends Willie, Rexy, Sparky, Lulu, and Steven, also known as Steve. So here they all are. Here's Steven. So only the doll who loves to giggle. Oh my god! Oh my god! Why does this guy look so funny? He's so funny. He's funny. And then Rexy the dinosaur, who is super curious. What is this? Was this our last project? I think so. What's our next project? Oh, hi, buddy. Want to be friends? And then Sparky, the robot dog, who's always full of energy. That's enough, Sparky. And Lulu, the doll, who's always stylish. Hey guys, do you like my earrings? They can come off. And do you like my costume? I'm so pretty. Oh, down on my hair. And Steven, the dog who is always my favorite. And here he is saying hello. That's how he says it. Welcome to the builders. 3 parts of building. Part A, assemble the mirror. Part B, build the base and drawer. Part C, put it together. And we have this slide. We will explain it in the next video. Or in this video. I'm not sure. Sparky is building part A with me, which is assemble the mirror. So you magically know how to get these gears on. I wonder how you guys build these things. So you got it? How? How did he get the cables on? How did he get the yellow gear on? You guys are so much faster than me. I took like an hour to do this. And here's our book, which is all the steps in here too. So there's also a video. So here is the build, all the stuff that you need to build. And then assemble the mirror, like it says here. It's hard to hold the book. It's just paper. And then, and then you finally got the ring on, which took you 0 seconds. It just magically popped on. First, stop and check. If your yellow gear is not in the center, you may put in the center. And then you magically got your clicking thingy on. And then you have to use your little, I forgot what it was called. And more is up, but I'm not going to explain because then it'll take too long. So, and then, guess what? You assembled 2 mirrors in 30 seconds. So Willie is building part B with me, which is build the base and drawer. So you magically got the drawer, the bottom, and the motor on. That's too fast. And then you already got the sides on. How? And then you already got your button in, which is really weird. And then you already got that part in. You guys are magical, actually. I don't know how. It's been like 30 seconds since you've been doing this. So, and then you built the drawer and the base. How? It doesn't even show the step of the drawer. So as you can see, this is our, oops, I plopped it out, which is there. So this is our jar. Opens and closes. And then you built everything. The base and the jar. And Rexy is building part C with me, which is put everything together. So you got the stand and the mirror ready. So you're gonna put the legs down, screw in the screwer thingies, and then you made a light up infinity mirror in 10 seconds. Well, you took 1 minute to make the whole entire thing, because every step was 3. So 30 minutes, seconds. So it took 1 minute and 30 seconds. You guys are too fast. And then press the button to make it spin around. How does it work? The infinity mirror works by using a USB cord, which sends power. When you press the button, it sends electricity to both the mirror here to light it up and the motor to make it spin. So as you can see, if I plug in the USB cord, you can see how it's on. And if I press the button, the motor is giving a signal to the button, which makes this thing spin. I forgot what it's called. The mirror, yeah, like that. And that's it. And then, so like I said when I was doing that, it connects to these two, which makes it spin and light up, spin. And when you press a button, it makes everything spin and light up. And then, how does the infinity mirror work again? The motor turns the orange gear, which moves the other gears connected to the mirror, making the whole mirror rotate. And all the wires and gears work together to create the spinning light up infinity effect. All the wires are out of the way. all the gears are meshed together, which just means together, put them together. And the orange gear is fully pushed to the motor. And let's go into the next slide. Create an illusion with bedazzled magic. Colorful beads are placed on a ring and inserted into the mirror. Which are the beads there? We'll explain in the next video. So as you can see, well, we're going to explain it now actually. So you see this ring? I like how it spins. We have some extra beads actually. We didn't need them. So we have one here. We have like 8 in there. And then you insert them into this ring, as you guys saw. That ring right there. That ring right there. And then let's take it out. As you can see, this ring. So we're gonna turn it on now and make it spin, and you will see the beads. You can see the rainbow colors. Yay! So now if you take out the beads, it's light. I mean, it's bright. There's no rainbow. I didn't actually cry. But there's no rainbow. No. Okay, we're putting back this because I like it with the rainbow. Okay. And then here it is. There's one extra on top in case if you need more. And the dizzying disc to make your mirror spin with style. Stick one more spinning disc onto the mirror using sticky dots. I'll explain what sticky dots are in the next video. It gives a dizzying dizzying to watch. I don't really get that, but so here are the dizzying discs. Well, they're right here actually. We actually have some extras here too. These are the sticky dots. You take them off, and this is the dizzying discs. Okay, let's put them back. Well, I should. And let's move on to the next slide. In the next video, we will learn the science behind the light up infinity mirror. And you use all the wires are out of the way, all the gears are meshed together, and the mirror and USB wire connected to the red to red and black to black. And then here it is connected. And then here's your infinity mirror. And you press the button and it goes spinning. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching Lena's Pretend Play. Bye!